Hello viewers, welcome to the Laws of Brian Fagan's YouTube channel. I am Brian Fagan from the Laws of Brian Fagan, and today we will be discussing the essentials of obtaining an annulment in Texas. Annulment is the legal procedure that nullifies a marriage. It effectively is erasing what never existed. Let's dive into this key aspect of a Texas annulment and what you need to know to successfully erase your marriage. The first thing is to understand the difference between an annulment and a divorce. While a divorce terminates a legally valid marriage, an annulment declares that the marriage was never valid to begin with. This distinction is crucial as it affects the legal process and the grounds on which you can file. Texas law specifies several grounds under which an annulment can be granted. These include an underage marriage. If one of the spouses was under the age of 18 at the time that the marriage took place and did not have parental consent or a court order, the marriage can be annulled. Impotence. If one of the spouses was permanently impotent at the time of marriage and the other spouse was unaware, the marriage may be annulled. Fraud, duress, or force. If one of the spouses was induced to marry through fraud, duress, or force, the marriage can be annulled. Mental incapacity. If either spouse lacked the mental capacity to consent to a marriage, whether due to mental illness, drug use, or alcohol, the marriage can be annulled. Concealed divorce. If one of the spouses was divorced from someone else within 30 days before the marriage and concealed this fact, the marriage can be annulled. Marriage with 72 hours. If the marriage occurred within 72 hours of obtaining a marriage license, the marriage can be annulled unless certain exceptions apply. To file for an annulment in Texas, you need to file a petition in the district court of the county where you or your spouse reside. The petition should include the grounds of an annulment and any relevant facts supporting the claim. It is advisable to seek legal counsel to ensure the petition is correctly prepared and filed. Once the petition is filed with the court will schedule a hearing. Both parties will have the opportunity to present evidence and testify. If the judge finds sufficient grounds for an annulment, they will issue a decree of an annulment, effectively nullifying the marriage. An annulment erases the marriage as if it never occurred. This means that unlike a divorce, there are no issues of property division or spousal support since the marriage is considered void. However, if children were born during the marriage, issues of child custody, visitation, and support will need to be addressed. An annulment can be more challenging to obtain than a divorce because you must provide specific grounds to nullify the marriage. It is crucial to gather all necessary evidence and prepare for the court proceeding. Consulting with a family law attorney can help you navigate this complex process. Annulment in Texas is a legal process that declares the marriage void as if it never existed. Understanding the grounds of annulment, the filing process, and the effects of annulment is crucial for those seeking to erase their marriage. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below or schedule a free 30-minute consultation with us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more legal insights. Take care. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Because you tuned in to the end of the video, we're giving away a free copy of the Texas Divorce Handbook. To claim your free copy, click on the link in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.